Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can list tickets on Viagogo, and it's a very straightforward process. So your first step will be on your homepage or an event page on Viagogo. You'll select the sell option. If you don't have an account, you'll just log in or you can create a Viagogo. You will there find the event that you want and you can choose the date. From there, you will follow their prompts and if you don't know what kind of tickets you have, you can basically review listing tickets on Viagogo and different ways to deliver them. So you pick the right one that is according to your choosing. So you can basically choose something that's appropriate to you. From there, you will add a valid credit card since users are safe in their transactions. From there, you will choose how to get paid if the tickets sell. If you select direct deposits, we will just review that. And from there, you will select create listing. And after that, you're done. You receive a confirmation, and after that, you have listed your tickets and they'll be ready to be sold. If you set up a direct deposit, after listing your tickets, you'll basically select My Tickets, then you'll select Settings, and on the Viagogo app, this is the first drop-down menu, and you'll see it there. From there, you will go to your Payment tab, which is automatically open, under Payment option for selling tickets, and then you'll choose Add New Payment Method. From there, you will select the bank transfer option and you will follow its prompts to set up a direct deposit account to receive payments. From there, you will select three dots next to the payment method and you will set it as default. You'll see the default button and you'll use it.